Kissing Clouds, ang bagong pintuan ng Cordillera. Mabuhay! Welcome to all our tourists, the vibrant bliss, Baguio, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tuba and Tublay residents, and the hardworking Benguet community. We are coming to you live from the breathtaking regions of Tuba. Before we start our journey, don't forget to stay connected with us. Subscribe and like Dr. Arnold's TV, your window to Baguio. Follow and share Highland Pulse PH. Feel the mountains rhythm. Vision captured at Arnold Multimedia FB page. Sining at kasaysayan sa bawat kuha. Isang obra maestra sa gilid ng daan. The Gateway Mural. Formal nang binuksan ang Gateway Mural. Badiwan, Pahaspasan, Falls to Cordillera. Dito sa Badiwan, Poblasyon, Tuba, ang higanting mural na ito na matatagpuan sa retaining wall malapit sa tunnel ay likha ni Napoleon Malyao Habok, Marlo Naoy, and Billie Jane Ditnag. Ikwento nito ang kasaysayan ng Marcos Highway. Ngayon ay Aspiras Palispis Highway. Ang pagbangon mula sa 1990 earthquake at ang tradisyon ng pahaspasan. This mural is more than just a paint. It is a living history. It reminds us of the Binadang, Inayan, and Gawis values passed down by our ancestors. Sponsored by Mr. Joseph Leo Sr. This artwork greets every traveler with the rich soul of the Cordilleras. Question: bakit tinawag na pahaspasan ang bahagi ng mural na ito? Sagot: ang pahaspasan o payaspasan sa Kankanay ay isang general term na badiwan na tumutukoy sa kasaysayan kung paano nabuo ang pagtawid sa ilog noong unang panahon. Agrotourism farm to table at Kissing Clouds. May samanin nga agri-tourism farm ti Guyugoy kadagiti turista. Ang Kissing Clouds Agricultural Farm. Dito, hindi lang tanawin ang iyong makikita. Ayon sa may-ari na si Joseph Leo Sr., plano nilang magkaroon ng farm to dining, table experience, cafe at souvenir shop na nagtatampo ng idag, sinamak at strawberry jam. Perched along the Marcos Highway rock shed, this farm allows you to walk through strawberry and lettuce plantations while feeling the cool mountain breeze. It's a perfect fusion of agriculture and art, featuring sculptures of owls, giant strawberries, and even a dove eye for a true highland feel. Question: what can visitors expect to see inside the Kissing Clouds farm aside from the mural? Answer: visitors can explore the Cloud Stairs, a room full of local artworks, traditional huts, and various sculptures like a miniature chopper and a heart-shaped structure perfect for our Instagram photos. Ang kasaysayan ng daan at ang bagong bukas. Alam ninyo ba, ang kalsadang ito ay formal ng pinalitan ng pangalan noong taong 2000 bilang Aspiras Palispis Highway. Ngunit para sa marami, ito ang pintuan patungo sa Summer Capital. Sa tulong ng TUBA Agri-Tourism and Rural Recreation Organization, TARO, mas pinaigting pa ang proteksyon at turismo para sa mga lokal na manlalon at artists. Whether you are here for a chill ride, a walk for health, or to experience the roof thrill, Kissing Clouds offers a sanctuary with a minimal entrance fee of 50 pesos. You support the maintenance of this beautiful site and the local artists who keep our culture alive. Kailan opisyal na binuksan ang Kissing Clouds sa publiko? Sagot: bagamat nagkaroon ng soft opening noong November, ang formal na inaugurasyon kasama ang mga opisyal ng TUBA at si National Artist Kidlat Tahimik ay naganap noong March 9, 2026. Pagsadya at pagbisita. Come one, come all. Isama ang pamilya at barkada. Damhin ang lamig, uminom ng mainit na kape at saksihan ang sine sa gitna ng bundok.
Nanang, may kape. Nag-grade sila sa kape. Sige, tugaw kayo.